Hello guys, welcome to Deepak Parekh Clips. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is one particular clip from the main episode, the link to which is in the description. Please click on it to watch the full video. And meanwhile you're here, enjoy this clip. How to not be a people pleaser?
The most interesting thing about people pleasing is कि people pleaser को ये लगता है कि I am nice. But actually a people pleaser is the most selfish person in that dynamic. Why? Because मैं आपको please इसीलिए नहीं कर रही हूँ कि आपका भला हो. मैं आपको please इसीलिए कर रही हूँ कि आप मुझे like करो. So it looks like it's about you, but it's actually about me. People pleasing is not selfless. It's actually very selfish. कि I am lying to you, or I am keeping things from you, or I'm not telling you the full truth, or whatever it is, just so that you would like me.
As per you.
As per I want you to like me. Because
So say
I'm
for example,
so afraid of offending you.
Got it. So like for example, if I were to, again let's take that date example. Okay, we have young listeners, I'm sure they'll relate to this.
Right.
You go out on a date. I know for example that, say she likes sports.
Right.
And maybe you've played a game or two before, you'll be like, yaar, you play really good pickleball. I love it. Let's play more, yaar. Can you teach me this style? What do you do when you do this? Oh, nice. I mean, I would, yaar, मेरे को सिखा दे यार, please. You're really good at this, yaar. Come on. एक स्टेप सिखाने में तेरे को कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, सिखा दे यार. Now you are essentially pleasing that, like you are rubbing off that person's ego. You are massaging that person's ego. वो, but you're at least how do I put it? You're massaging that person's ego.
Correct.
ठीक है.
Correct.
But that is a little different from people.
These are just games people play with each other, just to kind of, it's fun and games like that. कि ठीक है हम पहली बार मिले हैं, तो just to kind of build rapport, because everybody loves talking about themselves. So let me ask her more questions about what she likes. That's a completely separate thing. People pleasing is कि जब मैं इतनी डरी हुई हूँ कि अगर मैं ऐसा कुछ कह दूँ जिससे आप offend हो जाओ, तो then you're gonna stop liking me. And for that reason, I'm gonna sacrifice the truth, or I'm gonna sacrifice the quality of this friendship or this equation. उससे क्या हो रहा है कि मैं करप्ट कर रही हूँ इस चीज़ को, मैं इस इक्वेशन को करप्ट कर रही हूँ, तो क्या किस काम का फिर वो?
But where does this people pleasing need stem from?
People pleasing, see, it can just be there's like a whole plethora of personality angle to it. People pleasing can come from your childhood experiences. If you आपके जो primary caregivers है, आपके parents हो गया, या आप कोई somebody adult in the family, या आपके कोई teacher हो गए who was very important to you in your life, could be your school teacher, could be your dance teacher, could be your sports teacher, anybody जिसको भी आप authority figure मानते हो life में. Usually parents होते हैं, लेकिन बहुत बार teachers and वो भी बन जाते हैं, right? So I think you're gonna need it. So if they are a little unpredictable, they're supposed to take care of you. लेकिन अगर वो थोड़े unpredictable है, तुम्हारे लाइफ के जो adults है वो unpredictable है, तो you are constantly gonna be on high alert कि मैं ऐसा क्या उनको कह दूँ, कुछ गलती से ना कह दूँ कि वो गुस्सा हो जाए, तो वहाँ से आप बचपन से प्लीज़ करने लग जाते हो कि you also have to notice, understand, and I'm sure you know कि people pleaser are also very hypersensitive to everybody's like facial expressions, moods. उनका खुद का mood नहीं होता है, उनका मूड वही होता है जो इस कमरे का मूड है. ठीक है, they're also extremely empathetic. So there are different aspects to it, लेकिन it's not good for you in the long run. It's not good for you.
What should a people pleaser do to avoid this, to avoid feeling,
to overcome this? Before changing any behavior, it's important to understand क्यों मैं वो कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, तो if I'm trying to understand, okay, why am I such big of a people pleaser? ठीक है, तो one of the reasons is कि I want you to perceive me a certain way. ठीक है, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप मुझे एक पर्टिकुलर तरीके में देखो, जैसा मैं, the way that I want to seem, I want you to see me the exact same way. Why? Because I am insecure about that part of me. तो मुझे जितना ज़्यादा validation मिल सके about that part, I'm gonna seek from it. ठीक है, so for example if the second thing is I'm also afraid of saying no to you. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अगर मैं ना बोलूँगी तो आपको बुरा लग जाएगा. बुरा आपको लगेगा, that's not the problem. आपको बुरा लगेगा तो आप मुझे like नहीं करोगे, वो problem है. Those are two very separate things. ठीक है, एम्पैथी इज़ यार उसको बुरा लग जाएगा, यार उसका दिन खराब हो जाएगा, वो एम्पैथी है. पीपल प्लीजिंग सर उसको बुरा लग जाएगा यार, फिर वो लाइक इट्स नॉट गोना लाइक मी एनी मोर, यू नो ही इज़ गोना स्टॉप हैंगिंग आउट एंड दीज थिंग्स. दैट्स पीपल प्लीजिंग. ठीक है, तो वो सेल्फलेस है, ये सेल्फिश है.
How do you avoid, avoid कह रहा हूँ, how do you overcome this?
You overcome this by understanding कि it's not personal. Whatever somebody does has much more to do with them than it has to do with you. However somebody responds to the same situation has much more to do with them than it has to do with you. For example, if I'm driving, ठीक है, मैं ट्रैफिक में, I'm stuck in traffic. 2 घंटे से मैं ट्रैफिक में फंसी हूँ, लेकिन आज मेरा मूड बहुत सही है. आई डोंट माइंड, आई एम लाइक ब्लास्टिंग म्यूजिक, आई एम हैविंग अ गुड टाइम, व्हाटएवर. 2 घंटे बाद ट्रैफिक खुला, आई लीव, आई एम आउट. Tomorrow I'm in the same route, same car, same time of the day, but today I had a fight at home. I'm not in a good mood. I didn't have my breakfast, blah blah blah. Now I'm gonna like roll my windows down, yell at idhar udhar. I'll keep honking and, you know, be very irritated. आजू बाजू वाले लोगों पे चीखूंगी, चिल्लाऊंगी, all of these things. बाहर का external situation कुछ नहीं बदला है. Just how I am feeling about myself and my life that day is different, and that is dictating my behavior. Hurt people, right? So does that mean on the second day if I was yelling at this person on the side, does that mean उसने बेचारे ने कुछ गलती की है? नहीं, वो तो अपनी जगह पे आराम से चिल कर रहा है. That's his life, he's having a good time. I am not feeling good about myself, which is why I'm projecting it at him. मुझे कहीं तो frustration निकालना है, right? तो इससे the point behind this is कि you have to understand that whatever people do, most of it, and how they do it has much more to do with them than it has to do with you. You could be extremely mean to me today, but I am a very centered person, as I'm a centered individual as a person. I'm not gonna give you back. I'm gonna be like, yeah, he's having a bad day, chhod. I'll go home, I'll be chill. But if there's another person who's extremely reactive, जो ट्रिगर हो जाता है छोटी छोटी बातों पे, आप उस पर चीख के देखो, if you become mean to that person, he's gonna give it back to you. चढ़ जाएगा. Correct. आपने सेम चीज़ किया, आपने कुछ अलग नहीं किया, बस जो 2 लोग थे वो अलग थे, तो उनके बेसिस पे मीनिंग कि कुछ भी होता है, जैसे भी इंसान रिएक्ट करता है, that is all about them.
The borderline of the entire conversation that we've had today is just everything is about you.
Everything. Every single thing is about you. This I speak not only from personal experience, throughout my work with my clients. I speak to people one-on-one every single day.
Hello guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, share it around on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, Tinder, Bumble, every single where, because we need that traction. But thank you so much for watching the video, and you will come across every new clip every single day. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys around. Thank you. Cheers.